Welcome to my Rockwood 2608 BS travel trailer. This segment is being done so we can try to figure out where to hang all of our travel magnets. Everybody has them, and what we try to do is we are trying to locate a place in the trailer here where we can hang them so everybody can see them, not just us. And I came up with a great idea. As I was sitting on the couch and I was watching some TV, and I looked to the left and I realized, wait a minute, there's a lot of space right there on that refrigerator, isn't there? In fact, that would hold a lot of magnets. But it's made out of wood. What do? Well, I came up with an idea of having 6 pieces of sheet metal cut and placing them inside the insets here on the door. And that way, instead of trying to put magnets all over any metal place you can find in the trailer, I think we can put these all right here on the refrigerator. And at the same time, I thought, oh boy, there's a lot of insets over here too. One over the top, one down the side. So what I decided to do was to have metal plates made. I'm going to use double back tape. I'm going to put them in the insets on the refrigerator and the one over the pantry. And that way we have lots and lots of space to put our magnets. Let's see how it turns out. And that's all there is to it. We got the tops and the bottoms. And for overflow magnets, we got the one over the pantry. Now it's time to apply the magnets. Wow, I thought there were more magnets than that. So they're all gone from the microwave and the stuff around the window. And now we have a good start. I'm sure these will get rearranged, but now when I sit watching TV or my guests are on the dinette, we can always be reminded of the places that we've been.